Ethereum value equivalent to 36,184 rands a coin. The present cost range, 35,842 to 36,540. The earlier day close, 36,283. The change was 0.27%. Backwards rate, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost 35,703 rands, high 38,202, low 33,204. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, May 30, cost 37,237 rands, high 39,844, low 34,630. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, May 31, cost 37,452 rands, high 40,074, low 34,830. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, June 1, cost 36,228 rands, high 38,764, low 33,692. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, June 2, cost 36,647 rands, high 39,212, low 34,082. In multi-week Ethereum estimate on Monday, June 5, cost 37,061 rands, high 39,655, low 34,467. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, June 6, cost 36,933 rands, high 39,518. Low 34,348. Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, June 7, cost 37,410 rands, high 40,029, low 34,791. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost 37,688 rands, high 40,326, low 35,050. Ethereum estimate on Friday, June 9, cost 36,736 rands, high 39,308, low 34,164. In about 14 days Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, June 12, cost 36,998 rands, high 39,588, low 34,408. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, June 13, cost 37,759 rands, high 40,402, low 35,116. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost 38,608 rands, high 41,311, low 35,905. Ethereum figure on Thursday, June 15, cost 39,321 rands, high 42,073, low 36,569. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, June 16, cost 38,865 rands, high 41,586, low 36,144. In 3 weeks Ethereum figure on Monday, June 19, cost 39,414 rands, high 42,173, low 36,655. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost 38,427 rands, high 41,117, low 35,737. Ethereum figure on Wednesday, June 21, cost 37,905 rands, high 40,558, low 35,252. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, June 22, cost 37,946 rands, high 40,602, low 35,290. Ethereum figure on Friday, June 23, cost 37,649 rands, high 40,284, low 35,014. In about a month Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, June 26, cost 37,202 rands, high 39,806, low 34,598. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, June 27, cost 35,212 rands, high 37,677, low 32,747. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2023. Before all else cost at 34,189 rands, excessive cost 40,074, while low cost 31,745. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 35,865. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 37,452, change for May 9.5%. Ethereum figure for June 2023. Initially cost at 37,452 rands. Excessive cost 42,173. While low cost 32,747. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 37,842. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 38,995. Change for June 4.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset cost at 38,995 rands. Excessive cost 44,042. While low cost 38,280. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 40,620. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 41,161. Change for July 5.6%. Ethereum conjecture for August 2023. At the outset cost at 41,161 rands. Excessive cost 48,582. While low cost 41,161. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 44,077. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 45,404. Change for August 10.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset cost at 45,404 rands. Excessive cost 51,761. While low cost 44,989. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 47,632. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 48,375. Change for September 6.5%. Ethereum conjecture for October 2023. At the outset cost at 48,375 rands. Excessive cost 60,043. While low cost 48,375. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 53,227. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 56,115. Change for October 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2023. To start with cost at 56,115 rands. Exorbitant cost 56,115. While low cost 47,727. The found the middle value of cost 52,819. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 51,319. Change for November 8.5%. Ethereum gauge for December 2023. To start with cost at 51,319 rands. Exorbitant cost 51,319. While low cost 40,090. The found the middle value of cost 46,459. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 43,108. Change for December 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2024. To start with cost at 43,108 rands. Exorbitant cost 53,505. While low cost 43,108. The found the middle value of cost 47,432. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 50,005. Change for January 16.0%.